Hello friends, so today we're going to talk about the easiest problem in the problem set given in the October CodeChef Long Challenge problem named COVID Run. So COVID-19 is spreading in there are n cities numbered from 0 till n minus 1. So there are n cities and every city has some index from 0 till n minus 1 and they are arranged in a circular manner. Okay, so now cities 0 is connected to 1 and 1 is 2 and 2 and so on and n minus 1 is to 0. And now the virus is currently at city X. Okay, each day it jumps from its current city to the city K to its right. So if it is like on 1 K is equal to 2, then it will jump to 1, then it will 3, then 5 and so on. From X till X plus K model. As the virus jumps, the cities in between don't get spread, but the city on which the virus land will get infected. And also the city once get infected stay infected. So you live in city Y and you have to find out that whether the virus will reach your city Y or not. If it reaches city, then print yes, else no. So that's the whole question. So now you might ask that, okay, how this question is going to work. Let's assume that I will draw out these positions and my virus is at this position and I will do a jump of these are, so how many cities are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 cities and my virus is on this position. So my virus is, let's assume, jump by 2. So initially it will go like this, it will go like this, then it will come to this same position and it will do the same cycle again and again. So these are the 3 cities which will get infected by the virus. Else, let's assume that in the same question I am jumping by 2, but there is one more city here. So now my virus start from here. So as you can see, it jump to this position, then it will jump to this position, then it will jump to this position. Now it will jump to this position, then this city, then this city, and then the initial city again. So as you can see, we have covered all the cities and I have encountered or come at the same city again. This might not happen that I come to the same city, but I can again come to a city which I have again visited. And if I again encountered a city which I have already visited, then the cycle will repeat. So as you can see, then I come to this point and the cycle will repeat. It might not always happen that I will come to the same city again. It might happen that I will come to a city which I have already encountered. But if I encounter the same city again, then it can happen that I will do the same cycle again and again. So this is, as you can see, the constraints is pretty much small. This is 1000. So what you can do, and if there are I am jumping, so if I encounter the same city again, I will not do the process again. So at most I will do 10,000 1000 jumps. I will iterate over all the possible cities, because if I found out another city or found out a city which I have iterated earlier, then I will not do the possible iterations for the iterations, because I know that if I have started from this point, then I will do some iterations and I will come again to this point again. So it means that all the cities have been infected again. So I will not touch those cities. So that's the whole logic for this problem. I will just mark all those cities and I will just run a DFS. And I will make a visitor array to store the cities which are get infected in this process. And if I encounter the same city again, I will check this in this visited array. If I encounter the same city, I will break out of this loop or break out of this DFS. After breaking out, I will check that whether my city Y is infected after this whole visited array, or making the cities which are infected. If yes, then I will print out yes, else no. So that's the whole logic for this problem. It's very simple. You just have to perform a simple DFS. So I'll take down to the code part now. Take the input of n total number of cities, X the city on which the initial COVID-19 is, the city on which you live, and the K is the jump. Take the input of all of them, make a visited array of n all equal to 0. Then next is X, which means that what is the next city I will jump. This is the visited, because I have started from X. This is the starting city, so it is already visited, so I will mark it as 1. I will do a while loop. So what will I will do? I will calculate my next city. So initially my next is initialized with the current city. Then I will, because I have marked this current city, so I will find out the next city which will get infected. So I will add K to the current city, next city, and I will do a mod of this, and it will show in the next. If this next is 0, which means I haven't visited, so I will make this equal to visited. Else, if I have visited this array, or visited of next equal to turn out to be 1, then I will break out of this while loop. After breaking out of this while loop, I will just check that whether my Y city is visited. So I will print yes, else I will print no. That's a very simple problem. This is a simple DFS. I hope you get the problem and the code itself. If you still have any doubts, mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.